Hi, I'm James Nelson, partner at Massey Knackle Realty Services, and I'm here to bring you the Nelson Reports podcast for October 2014. I am here in Mount Vernon, which is a 25-minute train commute from New York City, and behind me is 6 Gramatan. This is a 72,000 square foot office building with retail on the ground floor. We're currently, a closing is imminent on this, and what's surprising and the point of this month's blog is that the buyer had a 1031 exchange. He had sold a apartment building portfolio in northern Manhattan and is exchanging to this property. Originally, he was looking for something income producing in New York City at a 6% return or better, but we all know that that's really an impossibility today. So what we're seeing is a lot of investors are going further out looking for yield. This property behind me, the retail is fully occupied. The office above is 80% leased. It produces over a 7% cap in place, and it fully leased over 10%, and a price per square foot at under $140 a foot. So this is a very attractive proposition. So this is a trend that we're seeing where Manhattan buyers are going outside further in the boroughs, and the boroughs are going further beyond. If you look at New York City and Manhattan, in 2011 it accounted for about 32% of all sales in New York City, when there was really a flight to quality and safety after the market was recovering. But in the first half of this year, Manhattan only accounted for 18% of the sales, which really tracks with the amount of inventory it has compared to the rest of the stock citywide. So we're really seeing that the interest is now spreading out. And we're seeing this trend also in New Jersey. Spoke with David Simon, our managing director there. He said over half the sales this year in his office have come from New York City-based buyers. And they're offering, they just sold an office building portfolio in Union, New Jersey at a 5.5 cap. He said, look, if this was in New York City, this would have been a 3 to 4 cap. So clearly opportunities for exchanges beyond, especially for investors looking for yield. That's it for this month. Thanks again.